Hi Kevin, thank you for the opportunity to go ahead and create this customized video for you. I did quite a bit of research on Kevin's yard work and I would love to share what I found. All right, so when your future customers are searching for your services, an example, Landscape Seattle, the first part that comes up for them is what's called the Google Map Pack. Now, ideally, we want businesses to be in the top 3 spots because this is all that's shown instantaneously. Now, like I was saying, I did research and I did not find a Google My Business listing for Kevin's yard work. What I did find, of course, was Yelp listings, and those are wonderful, but those won't bring you anywhere near the exposure that a local map listing would. Now, this is something that can be created for you. Information, pictures, website is all added to this to get you moving up the ranks here and get you some exposure. Now, the second thing that someone searching for your services is going to see is what's called the organic listings. Now, these are just below that map pack I was talking about, and that's all of these listings down here. The reason this is so crucial is because 9 times out of 10, anyone searching for a product or a service is going to go with a company that is not only on the first page, but is in the higher ranks within that first page. Now, what I went ahead and found out was that your number one competitor is Lee's General Landscaping. So I pulled their website to take a look, kind of show you what all of this means, and then go a little more in depth. All right, so Lee's General Landscaping, here is their website. It's got a good, first image. The first thing that stands out to me with their site is that all of this writing right here is taking away from the imagery and should not be here like this. They've got their services listed just below their focal header, which is really important. This looks really nice. They've got a description of each, which is wonderful. Service areas, some testimonials, and so forth. Now, the thing about this site is that it's only running. So let me explain this. What Google does 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is they comb the internet. They comb the internet looking at every single web page, and what they're looking for is 1,500 words of command content, which is all of this. And what they want embedded in that content is organic keywords so that they can match up the people searching for your service and your site. Now, having a site is incredibly crucial. That's probably the absolute number one most important thing here is to have a site so that the people searching for your services can be matched up with your site and then, of course, divert traffic to you. Now, I wanted to just show you a little deeper on what exactly Lee's Landscaping is performing at and what they've got going on. So now I do want to show you the two most important things here is their UR and their DR. What their UR is their trust rating. What their DR is their power rating. They've got 382 backlinks, which a backlink is a shout out from another website. Another website has a link to your site from theirs, and what that does is give you exposure and then credibility. They've got 520 organic keywords that are embedded within their content, like I was telling you about here. And with this overall picture for Lee's General Landscaping, what they're doing is they have an organic traffic rating of 453. What that means is 453 folks a month are searching for the exact same services that you offer, and 453 people a month are clicking on their site, retaining their services, getting more information, whatever the case may be. So my point here is that if you had a website with that 1,500 words of command content, the organic keywords, backlinks added to it, and got yourself a Google My Business listing, you would have a strong internet presence for one. For two, would begin to start climbing the ranks and would be utilizing all of this traffic that's coming in. Currently, without a site and without that Google My Business listing, it's definitely limiting you to just the folks that are on Yelp. There is so many people out looking for your services, and if this is something that you're interested in capitalizing on, if you're looking to grow your business, even if you're busy, with this amount of traffic that's going on, you could get a location, get a second location, get employees, more trucks, whatever the case may be. Again, if this is something that you're interested in pursuing, I would certainly love for you to reach back out. If this is not something that you're interested in furthering, then no harm, no foul. I totally understand. I would certainly appreciate any feedback that you did have, though. Thanks, Kevin.